Hey guys, just bought the new Hennessey hammock. This is the Explorer Deluxe zipper model, the Asym, and wanted to set it up out here, get it kind of trail ready and find out what I'm doing, so I thought I'd share with you. So give me just a minute and we'll get this thing up. Okay, the different parts of this, let me pull it out. This is a set of tree straps they send with it, and this is the Deluxe hex fly, the zipper model. I mean the Deluxe six-sided fly. This is not the original fly to this. I bought this extra because I wanted the extra coverage. And then this itself is the hammock as it comes, and a set of snake skins. You'll see those in use in just a minute. So we'll get this all out and set it up. Okay, first thing I'm going to do, I've got my hammock spread out here between a couple of trees that are far enough apart. I'm going to put the snake skins on, and what the snake skins are, they're a cover that you put on the hammock and you leave them on there, and it makes it very easy to put up and pack up later. You'll see what I'm talking about later, but I have to install them first. So I've got the rope to the hammock, and it's supposed to be pretty easy. Just feed this through here, start at the big end so that it comes out the little end. Don't go the other way, you'd have trouble then. So we're just going to feed this through here. The rope is stiff enough, it makes it fairly easy to do this. And then while I'm down here on this end, I'll go ahead and put a tree strap up. Got my tree straps around my neck. These are the ones that come with it. It's a 2-inch wide nylon strap with a sewn-in loop on each end. What you do is reach around the tree and bring these together. That tree is just almost too big, but that's going to work. Okay, so you put your finger in the hole, go up through the hole on one strap, and go through the hole on the other strap. So it's got both straps in the hole. Now, next thing you do is bring this down. You're going to go over and through the top of the two straps. Come down, and you're going to go over and then down through the two straps. You go over, down through the two straps. Do that at least 3 times, and that forms a lashing. That's not a knot, it's a lashing. And then you can tie half hitches here to secure it, and it will be plenty secure there. Okay, now I may have to reposition that, but we'll see when I get to the other end. Okay, so we've got the hammock hung right now. As you can tell, this is a zipper side entrance. Mosquito netting unzips right here so that you can come in and out of the hammock from the side versus going to the bottom slat as the older style have. Now I like this just because it gives me some options that the other side doesn't, like rolling out in the morning and making a cup of coffee while you're still laying in the hammock. Okay, so the next step is, now that we've got this, I'm going to put on this Deluxe hex fly. This is the extra large grain fly. It's bigger than the one that comes with this hammock, so it gives you more protection in the storm. So I'm going to unroll this thing, see what it's all about. See what we got here. It's big, I can tell you that. Alright, looks like this is the center. And it's got a clip that goes onto your clips on your prusik line. There's a prusik knot right here on your ridge line. And you can clip this right on there. Like so. Then come over to the other end and take the tarp and slide your thing back, take the clip on the other end, put it on. Now we'll pull the flaps over on their respective sides so you can see how big this guy is. size. Now, you may have noticed these tie-outs on the side of the hammock. These are elastic bungee type. The hammock itself, each place there's a tie-out, comes with its own cord. It's not bungee, it's regular cord. In it, there's a pocket. That's a nice feature about these rain flies. There's a pocket to store the cords in. Now, okay, now that it's set up, it's time to tear it down and store everything inside the snake skin. So, as you would guess, the process is opposite of what we did to set it up. As you store each of the cords for these, just do a little wrap in your hand, leave a little bit extra, take it off your hand, flatten this out, and roll around itself pretty tight till you get to the end of that string that you had left over, and tuck that inside itself on the last loop, give that a tug, that way it won't come undone. And again, we've got little pockets here on the bottom you store your cord in. Don't forget your tent thing. I'm going to go around and do that to the rest of these 6 tie-out places, and then I'll be right back to you. Okay, now we've got all the stakes out. We're ready to put it up. So what they say to do to make it easy, it's kind of roll itself up on it. Roll it up on itself. Put this over. Okay, once you've done that, got it fairly tight, which I guess I'm not tight this time. Okay, now we can start pulling the snake skins down. Might have to retighten a few things as you go. It is a tight fit with this big one. Okay, finally got the snake skins on. Had to take it apart and roll it up a little tighter, but I got it on there. This is what it looks like when it's all stored, and that makes it very easy, they say, to stuff back in that bag, which we'll find out in just a minute. So now all we have left to do is take down the lashings on the end and the tree straps, stuff in the bag. So that's what's next. Okay, now we've got it down. We've got the tree straps around my neck, got the hammock folded in half, and got the bag. We're going to try and see if it'll fit all back in there. Alright, I'm going to try and stuff all of this in here, and I think what I'm going to do is do it like this first. Maybe. Like I said, this is the first time I've ever done this, so it's a work in progress learning this. think there's got to be an easier way. Because this isn't easy. Okay, I won't lie. It was a struggle, but it did go back in the bag, all of it. And the tree straps are in here, and then I've got the stakes right here. So there you go, the Hennessey Hammock Explorer Deluxe Asym zipper model with the Deluxe Hex Fly on extra large stake skins in the bag. Again, thanks for watching the video. Hope you liked it.